Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Noir Bazaar box. So very cool. I have gotten this box as it was gifted to me. The opinions are my own. Let's see what's inside. All right, let's see. Looks like it's divination. Always a good topic and super appropriate. Looks like they also sell a mask, which is very interesting. Very cool. So here's more information, but I always look at this kind of thing last. I like to be surprised. I don't know how I'm going to do this because I don't want to... oh, I hate ruining kitty paper. Ooh, so there's also art here. Very nice. What's the package? Alright. Here's the business card. Oops, sorry. Cool, cool. Looks like a beautiful art print. Palm reading, your fates in your hands tell past, present, and future. Very cool, although this makes me think of Pan's Labyrinth and that like demon that eats children and he has the eyes in his hands, but that's still pretty cool. That's definitely a vibe. Fortune teller, palm reading, crystal ball gazing, tarot reading. Q. Good Bobs. Ooh. Oil of Joy, Apothecary, Pumpkin Pie, Organic Tea Blend, Red Rooibos, Tea Leaves, Cinnamon, Cloves, Ginger Root. Sounds yummy. Looks good. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of incense. A lot. Way more than I normally get. Ooh, and it smells divine. Love it. Oh my goodness, what is this? Serenity Sage, made with love and Melrose, MA, so Massachusetts or Maine. I'm not sure. I'm so sorry. It's been a long day. Very cool. It's pretty. Very vibrant orange flowers. I've got a little baggie here. Oh, we got a crystal. Maybe obsidian. It's got like a lighter color on the edges. Interesting. Oh my gosh, it's full of stuff. Azure green bath salt, created and charged for spirit. This ritual bath salts are aromatherapeutic and magically charged to strengthen magics within you and around you. Dissolve the salt in a warm bath and immerse your body in the soothing waters while you soak away all negativity and stress. Keep your thoughts upon the positive emotions of attaining and living your desire. You can bathe with the salt one time, or in cases of extreme need, you may wish to do a ritual bath for 3 days in a row. It's also a good idea to do a ritual bath with specific salts to purify your body before a ritual for an intended purpose. Cool. Okay. Got a couple things to open. Spoiled Rotten Lilith, so that's interesting. So it's, oh, so cute. Oh my goodness, get off of that. You get. I have a black kitty, a Dusty. Very, very cute. Love it. So let's see, can you see everything? Got incense, sage, got this, all this, so you can see all of it. So Noir Bazaar. Ooh, I got a bracelet. Oh, it's got a little pumpkin on it. Little pumpkin charm, very cute. Maybe jet. Black obsidian. Very nice. Oh, and it's stretchy, so you can get it around your wrist. Nice, nice. Love it. This is heavy. Excited. Very nice bag. I love that. Aww. So it's a palmistry little booklet with information about that. That's very good. I actually don't have any information on palmistry. This is very cool. I love that. That doesn't bother me, but I love how it's flat. It's nice and heavy. It's got all these markings on it. I'm not super big on palmistry yet, but I like that a lot. So let me tilt this. There we go. Very cool. Love that. And then let's open this. And once I just opened it all out of order. Okay. Black and orange candle ritual. So very pretty paper. I love that. I like pretty papers, as you may or may not know from being on my subscribed to my channel. Candle flame divination. Page 1 and 2. Very good information. Definitely. Lots of people pay attention to that. We've got a nice little orange twine here. And then the black and orange candles, very nice. Nice size, bigger than chime size. And we'll read this. From Serenity Sage, you'll find a gorgeous sage and calendula, nice, smudge stick created by a certified master herbalist just for our October box. All the plants used in their products are grown in her home garden without the use of any pesticides. Everything is grown with rainwater, compost, love, and light. Visit their website, Serenity Sage, for more information and to shop their other beauty products. So that's this, homegrown. I actually did not get a sage harvest this year. I don't know, it died. But I got plenty of other herbs. The art of tassomancy is an old and fascinating practice. We've included some organic pumpkin pie tea from Oil of Joy Apothecary for you to have a delicious choice to practice with. That's this. Both pieces of jewelry this month are made from obsidian. Obsidian crystal is believed to be strongly connected to the spiritual realm, making it the perfect stone to wear and use during divination. It's a strongly protective stone capable of shielding its wearer from all sorts of negative energies. It blocks any incoming psychic attacks and removes negative spiritual influences. It teaches us how to let go of the stress and anxiety that we tend to face on a regular basis and make sure that we stay calm and grounded during even the most turbulent of times. The handcrafted piece from Spoiled Rotten Lilith is an obsidian and crystal black cat necklace on a sterling silver chain. The pendant is enamel over copper and is nickel and lead free. Your Samhain spell, candle, and candle divination book of shadow page come once again from Morgana Magic Spell on Etsy. Nice. I like that they're collaborating with other small businesses. Don't forget to visit our website to take advantage of our October Ouija board mask special, which we've already talked about here. We can't wait to see you in November. So very cool. Lots of products. I'm going to have to leave a link in the description below for how to get this box, but as you can see, it's very full of items, nice items, good quality items, items from other small crafters, so supporting smaller businesses and companies where possible, so that's very, very good. I like it very much. I highly recommend it to you. This is Noir Bazaar October box 2020. And I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you soon. Love you. Bye.